His little baby had the messy face. Yep.
Messy baby. Doritos and ice cream cake. Oh, really? Get out of here.
Oh man, that felt good. Don't you copy me. He just threw a precious Dorito. No more.
Clean it up. I want no answers in here. Get the one
Who's that?
Get the one by your
Who is that?
Get the one by your foot.
What?
You crush it. I do hear thunder.
Yeah, me too. Just so it stays away. What?
That sounds far away though.
Oh my god.
Well, you gotta wait.
We could all go over there.
Just stick him on the stick. I'll be right over.